Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use the Appfolio property management software. So here we have to book a demo first so we can access the full features of this website. But since I cannot really access this one from my region, so I'm just going to show you the different features and the uses and why do you need this tool for your business. Okay, so you see the search bar at the top, just search for the appfolio.com. And here, when we go to the pricing section, we'll be able to see here the different plans that we can subscribe to. So the Core Plus, and then we have the Max, and you'll be able to see here the different features that is included in each plan. So right here we have to input our details. Now let's go to the product section and let us start with the communications and service. So it provide a standout service with modern communication software. So meet your customers where they are by bringing your property management communication and service online. So with the Appfolio's communication tools, you can streamline and simplify your customer service by creating exceptional experiences for renters and homeowners. So you can book a demo for this one if you want to. Okay, so here your partner in innovative property management technology. So everywhere you need it. Okay, so instant on-demand service and your modern communication hub. Next here, for the amazing customer service online resident portals. So the benefits for this one is boost customer service with on-demand resident tools, limit one-off phone calls and emails. Residents can stay connected from anywhere with the mobile app. Here's centralized communication. So no need for integrations or add-ons to contact residents. Stay organized with communication stored for historical record. And then save time by sending communications with Appfolio in a few easy clicks. That's right. So next one, let's go now to the accounting and reporting. Okay. So enable data-driven decisions with a property management accounting software. So gain visibility and make faster, more informed decisions with the Appfolio secure and robust property management accounting software with real-time reporting. So our machine-driven workflows reduce the time spent on standard accounting processes and minimize the human error. Okay, that's right. Now your single source of truth. So built for accounting, simply better data, and implement with ease. So here's smart bill entry. So the benefits for the smart bill entry increase efficiency, automate manual processes, and improve the data accuracy. Next one, we have here the database API. So enterprise level control and read-write access to Appfolio Property Manager database, industry leading documentation and testing environment, validated by the Appfolio stack partners, and then robust API auditing and user credentialing. Okay, here real-time flexing reporting. So reports include the owner statement, income statement, cash flow statement, the balance sheet, the bank account activity, the CAM reporting, delinquency records, and then the custom fields. Okay, so we have these options right here. Then for the performance insights benefits, easily compare performance, review the budget to actuals, compare financial data year over year, and then share reports and data, and then of course drill down into dashboards and charts. Okay, so next one, let's go back to the product section, and we have now the maintenance and efficiency. So increase property maintenance efficiencies with the AI driven automation. So run seamless online maintenance workflows, grow property values, and gain better internal control in one place with the Appfolio. And finally, property management software that eliminates efficiencies with smart automation. So your team has the bandwidth to implement even more ways to drive profitability and streamline your processes and work from anywhere. So everywhere you need it. And then industry leading AI and one powerful platform. Okay, so next one here, online property maintenance workflows. It includes the online maintenance requests, the work orders, the unit turn board, the common area maintenance, the mobile violations and tracking, and then in-house maintenance. Okay, next, pay your bills, owners and vendors. Benefits for this one: improved payment from anywhere, anytime. You can protect your business and configure the controls. And then, of course, enhance your reputation with the accurate on-time payments. It also have the Appfolio Smart Maintenance. So here you can read the different benefits. Okay. Next is the Auditing Center, and we also have these benefits right here. Next, we also have here the staffing and training. So, property management staffing software to supercharge your team. So, you can get new hires up to speed up faster and optimize your unit to staff ratio by streamlining the onboarding experience and flattering the learning curve. So Apple use intuitive user experience, configurable workflows, and smart automation quiet the noise to your team can operate at the top of their game. Okay, so next one, get a better way to focus your people toward your top priorities. So one intuitive platform, operate from anywhere, and industry leading AI. So the Appfolio Manager is a cloud-based property management software. It is designed to streamline the operations for residentials, commercial, and community associations portfolios. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including property accounting, online leasing, maintenance tracking, and tenant communication, all accessible through a user-friendly interface and mobile app. So the Appfolio's integrated platform enables the property managers to efficiently handle daily tasks, improve tenant satisfaction, and make data-driven decisions to enhance the profitability. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.